M Pesa is a mobile banking proposition that was jointly developed by Safaricom in Kenya and Vodafone here in the UK. The idea behind the initiative is simple: to help improve access to microfinance in East Africa. The service allows people to transfer money, pay bills, and save, all through a mobile phone. It works on the most basic handsets. It's secure and simple, and has gone from being a small-scale enabler to a mainstream financial service for the unbanked. At the Economist Innovation Awards held in London, M Pesa was recognized for its contribution to mobile money transfer services, with the co-founders Nick Hughes and Susie Lani receiving the Social and Economic Award for their pioneering work.
Right from the beginning of M Pesa, it's not about brand new state-of-the-art technology. It's quite an unusual innovation in that sense. It's taking, in telecoms terms, old technology and using it in new ways. And it has to be relatively mainstream, relatively old technology, otherwise it wouldn't be accessible to people who can only afford $10 phones.
Yeah, there are now, globally, there's something like 120 schemes that look and feel a lot like M Pesa working around the world. I think M Pesa certainly stands out as an example, and the industry, telecoms industry, has actually realised that this is a big area, and we've got a role. Telecoms industry has got a role to play in that.
My personal view is it's not just telcos. I think it's very much about banks extending their remit, extending their distribution channels, extending the types of customers and the types of products that they offer. So what we're really looking to do is extend the whole banking system, and if that means to get bottom-end customers, banks have to partner with telecoms companies, then so be it.
Today, 12 million people in Kenya use M Pesa, which is half the adult population. The service is also being used throughout Tanzania, Afghanistan, and most recently, South Africa. From sending mobile payments to those who are unbanked to sending web payments to those with an email address. Also that night, PayPal co-founders were awarded for developing a secure internet payment platform enabling anyone to send and receive money in real time with an email address. Although not the first, PayPal has definitely helped raise consumer confidence in making payments over the web. Currently, the company has 90 million active accounts in 190 markets and 24 currencies around the world. So what's the secret to their success?
I think the account-driven features of PayPal were a pretty key idea originally that turned out to be extremely valuable, because you could send money to people who had not yet used it, and that makes it, I think, very different from most payments companies where you can only exchange money between people who are already signed up in one form or another.
PayPal held its second annual developer conference in San Francisco this week, where they announced new features including a cost-effective platform to be adopted by Facebook and others to send and receive micropayments globally. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching. This is Layla Mackey reporting for Telecom TV in London.